Hey, happy Friday. It's been a long week, and so something exciting came, and that is my Valentine's Day present. It was a little late getting here, but that's okay. Adam ordered some starter plants from this Etsy shop called TheGreenEscape. They had a ton of selection, and I think he was pretty excited for his plant shopping experience that he had. But anyway, let's just get in here and see what we've got. Oh, cute little gift note there. Package, new plant care. It's got a cute little card here that they send with it. And there's a heat pack taped inside the box too, to keep the plants warm. They have winter insurance, and so I guess that's with this whole packaged. Ooh, I'm gonna need some scissors. Might get in here. Next time I'll have a knife. Oh, double wrapped. Everything is labeled. Oh, and I can't wait. Okay. So the first we have a spider's web. They're not easy to get into, which is kind of nice. Just a little baby plant here. Everything looks really good. Doesn't look like there's any browning or anything on the leaves. Ficus Tinicky Ruby. Oh my goodness. Why do baby plants have to be so cute? Everything on there looks super healthy. Next, we have the Decursiva. This one's gonna be really cute too. It's just so tiny. Oh, really green leaves. Just a little bit of dirt has fallen out, no big deal. Nothing's broken, nothing's smashed. Red sword. Ooh, I almost did a number on that one. Oh wow. Oh my gosh. I don't know if you can see. I think I ripped it there. But the variegation in this baby plant already is beautiful. And the backs of the leaves, nice and burgundy. Super excited. And last but not least is this colocasia mojito that I've really wanted for a long time. Not too long, maybe, just through the winter, but I was scared to order plants in the winter with the weather being so unpredictable and didn't want to freeze. I've had some trouble actually ordering plants in the summer because it's so hot and they got too humid, I think. It's taped in there good. Look how pretty. I just love the splash effect that it has. So just so you can have a close up of everything, it does look like this colocasia leaf may be in distress. It's a little yellowed, but this one still looks good. So once we get it into soil, we'll see how it does. The stems feel healthy, so I don't feel like it's gonna be a problem in the long run. I think it's gonna be okay. Here, everything looks good. Here's this red sword. Just really in great shape. Here is the Fatsia japonica. I think I'm saying that right. Spiderweb, also in top-notch shape. The little Rafitophora, such vibrant green leaves, feel nice and healthy. Thanks for watching, guys. Just once again, we're really impressed with the winter insurance. It seemed to be very worth it, and I wish I had known about winter insurance on stuff like this a couple months ago, because I probably would have had a couple more plants that I could have ordered by now, but maybe it's a good thing that I didn't know. So got these plants here. They all look healthy. Happy Valentine's to me. Thank you, Adam.
You're welcome.
And check us out on hamiltonroots.com. I will say too, we'll put the link to the TheGreenEscape shop in the comments or the description below so that you can check them out on Etsy. They had really great communication. Adam was impressed with that through the sale, and answered any questions that he had about the plants. So thanks.